close, a little close. A little closer. A little closer. Alright, try it. Ah, you got him!
And Logan playtime.
What are we doing today, Logan?
Play Firetruck.
Are we playing with fire trucks?
Yeah.
Look what we found at the store. What is this?
Toothpaste.
Hey, look, if you look at it, it says, hey, look, we can make a fire truck. So we're going to make a fire truck first. Showing her cool shirt. Oh, what's on there? What is that?
Firetruck.
Is that a fire truck? You like fire trucks?
Yeah.
Fire trucks are cool, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can make this. See, look, there's the toothpaste for the kids. Brush your teeth. Cavity protection. Alright, let's see what this is. Look, if you look inside, do you see inside? There's a fire truck all inside. Oh, wow, we gotta turn that inside out. Ready? Look at that. That's the fire truck right there. You see that?
Yeah.
You see the fire truck? What are these things right here? Are
Tired.
those the tires right there? Oh my gosh, look at the tires. Wow. Awesome. You gotta pop the wheels out. Look, we got this little thing around it. Gotta pop these wheels out. See that? See how it kind of pops out there? Can you count the tires for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7.
7. One. Let's count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. All right. Cool. It says push to remove fire truck wheels on the dotted line. So we did that. Fold the truck on the creases and glue the front and back to the inner flaps. Just all the way down.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. Good job. I want you, if you can, put a couple dots on each of those spots where the tire gets go, okay? Here. You need a dot there. You need a little bit of a dot right there. And we need a dot right here still. There we go. A little more right there. We got the tires on. See that? We got ourselves a cool little fire truck. Awesome. What's this, Logan?
Big fire.
Can you tell me about it? What does it do?
Big rock.
It sprays water? Does it spray water?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't spray water.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. Show me. Whoa! Oh, it sprays water. Yeah, cool. Should we go outside and show everyone how it works? Can you make it move on the table real quick? Whoa! Whoa! Okay, back up, back up. Whoa! Oh, stop. Okay, bring it back forward. Can you make it turn? Oh, it's stuck. No, other way. Go forward. There you go. Stop. Good job. Sort the water. Okay, stop. Oh. That was awesome. Should we go outside and play with it for a bit?
Yeah.
All right. What's going on?
We gonna speak right on the robot.
Why are we inside?
Because we gonna score more.
But why are we inside? Why don't we do this outside?
Because it's raining.
Oh, it's raining outside? Yeah. Do you hear the rain? I hear the rain.
I can rain too.
Yeah. Shh. So we don't tell Mom we're squirting inside the house. Okay. All right. So, what's with the robots? Or we're gonna go up and squirt the robots?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go squirt the robots. Alright, squirt them. Oh! Back up, back up, back up. Back up. Alright, squirt him. Try squirting him. Oh, well, that really squirts high. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Here, maybe get real close to him. Get real close to him. A little close, a little close. A little closer. A little closer. Alright, try it. Ah, you got him! You squirt, squirt, squirt. Whoa! Okay, alright. Is there anything else on fire? Is the cars over there? Are they on fire? We better go save them. You're back. Drive it. Drive it. Back it up. Back it up. There you go. Now turn that way. Yep, that way. Go forward. Battery running out. Okay, let's try that. There. Okay, go. Oh! Okay, put the fire out. Okay. Oh no, is the car on fire? I don't think you're gonna be able to get it wet. Let's see. Squirt. Squirt. Oh, whoa, it's squirting clear over there. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? You're gonna lift it up high? Well, how about, let's squirt this. Let's squirt the tower. I think it's on fire. Oh no, it's on fire. Oh no. Squirt it, squirt it, squirt it. Oh no, it's on fire. Here, get the remote. It's on fire. Squirt it out. Put the fire out. Hurry. Good job. Oh, I think you saved it. Did you save it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you saved it too. Good job. All right. Uh-oh, I think the mini tower. Cranky's on fire. Oh no! Quick, hurry! We gotta fix it. We gotta put that fire out. Squirt it. Squirt Cranky.
I can reach him.
Oh, you're squirting right there. You're squirting right there. Just back him up. Put him right there. Try it now. Yeah, you're getting him. Squirt. Good job. Whoa, squirt it.
That's where squirt the robots again.
You gonna squirt the robots again? Does that move? Oh, that moves. Cool. Squirt the robots. Oh, you're getting his head. Look at that. You're getting his head. Good job. Wow. Oh. So apparently this does sound too. So, look at that. Oh no. Oh no. Put the fire out. Put the fire out over there. On the tower. Put the fire out. Okay, put it out. Squirt it. Oh yeah. Good job. You saved it. Oh no, the robots are on fire. Oh no. Let's save the robots. Let's save the robots. Squirt it. Squirt the robots. Good job. Squirt the robots. Oh yeah, good job. Oh no. I think Cranky's on fire. Cranky's on fire. We're gonna put Cranky out. Squirt Cranky. Are you gonna shoot him between the legs? I don't think I'm gonna do it. You knocked him over.
Yeah.
Okay, squirt. Here, you gotta adjust that. Alright, squirt it, Cranky. Squirt it, Cranky. Oh no, good job. Alright, all done. Whew, I think you saved the fire.
That's a
Good job. High five.
Who is it?
I don't know, who is it? Should we open it? Who is it? That is Clarabelle. You are a good guesser. So we got Annie and Clarabelle and where's Thomas? I thought I saw Thomas.
Oh.
Who did we get earlier the other day? We got this Octopus Percy, huh? Octopus Percy. Annie, Clarabelle. Who's that?
Thomas.
Did you get Thomas?
I can't him.
Alright. That is awesome. Look at that. Annie, Clarabelle, and Thomas. Exciting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Bye.